My name is Greg and my partner Trudy. We built this boat in order to continue our adventures on the St. Lawrence and the Saguenay. This is a shallow draft boat with minimum horsepower. We have two 115 horsepower Mercury counter rotation propellers on this baby. Anyway, this makes it incredible for its maneuverability. We call the boat the JUNO. It cruises along at 21 knots and is able to max out at 38 knots. Wow. Another feature of our boat is the fact that it's a landing craft, and the bow goes down. We're able to go ashore or launch our canoes or kayaks from the boat very easily. Another feature of the JUNO is its massive flotation chamber. It is a 12,000-pound flotation chamber filled with foam, making the boat virtually unsinkable. This boat has a welded aluminum hull. There is always a lot of debris floating on the St. Lawrence as well as the Saguenay. It could be logs, it could be anything. So we have the hull made with a 1/4-inch thick aluminum, and all corners, the hard chines and the keel are covered with another plate of a 1/4-inch thick. Then about 5 keels running the length of it, giving it extreme strength. We're off to another destination, heading out to Ile Rouge.
go. How cool is that?
Oh, that's a big one down there. Holy lifting.
Wow.
Here's this one.
Here's this one coming.
Here, coming right towards us. Oh,
Look at that one.
Here's the tail.
No, it's coming. Yeah.
Where's the camera, Mom?
Look, the other one's going down too.